Okay, Derek, I'm trying to make a little clip so you can see for yourself what the readings are. It's easy. I can take photos. I'm just working by myself, so I'm starting with N90, right? I have pins in the back of the connector. It's easier for me. I don't know how, if this is a proper, because it seems like I can get a good reading if I insert anything here in the front of the connector, right? So I put pins in the back. I have it set up on ohms already, right? Let's see, I don't know about the angle. Okay. There you go. It goes to like 16 or 4 or something like that. Okay, next one. What is N283? Right? Okay, one. Sorry. Okay, both of them are touching. $15.73. Okay. Now N2A2, the one of the problem, supposedly. Okay, both sides are touching the wire leads. Pretty much same thing, 1676. Okay, and then okay, I'll try to for the N91, right? Just 1 second. I'm blocking the view right now, but I'm inserting the pins in there. Okay, there's one. There's the other one. Okay. They're right there. The pins. Okay. There's one probe. There's the other probe. Same thing, 1647. So they are all around 16 point something ohms, whatever. Okay, please let me know what do you think.